Bigelmo, stop. Be quiet in here. Go sleep. Put the show on for you.
Shh, be quiet. Listen to the train. Sounds cool, right? Honey, can you get in here? What do you want, Gerald? Our son is still awake even though we got this loud-ass train. Just probably give him some melatonin. That might work. Yeah, I know. Gosh. Why can't this kid ever go to sleep? We might have to get like 6,000 million speakers in here to make him really go to sleep. Honey, just put him to sleep. He's still a newborn. He was born like... Wait, honey? Wait, sorry. Is he going to sleep? No! He's not even going to sleep. Well, no, honey. He's only 7 years old. Of course he's not going to go to sleep perfectly. He was literally only born a few days ago. Yeah, I guess you're right. Let's just go to bed. Turn the lights off. Okay, honey. Let's go to bed and leave him in here. I didn't think about wings. Okay, I'll turn the lights off over here. Let him go to sleep.